I gotta cook some chicken nuggets or chicken something in the microwave. Chicken nuggets, put them on a plate. Didn't have that many. Put them in the microwave, and then you're gonna want to put it on 300, and then you just wait for it to get done. When it starts beeping, that's when it's done. Take it out of the microwave. Get you some honey mustard. You can use whatever you want to. I use honey mustard though. Get this thing open. There we go. And that's how you make chicken nuggets or chicken strips or whatever they are in the microwave.
This that new shit right here, yeah. Shut up, shut up, shut up. What's poppin'?